Hello, this is Nicole with Factory Direct Craft, and I'm here with a simple, quick Valentine's wreath tutorial. All is needed is an embroidery hoop, some greenery, berries, heart cutouts, and some floral wire. Here I used our juniper bush and cut those off of the stem. I separated the greenery evenly on either side of the embroidery hoop. I then came through and attached those with the floral wire. Once those were attached, I came in with our weatherproof berries here and added those on either side to help give some dimension. Once done, I came through with our jute twine to help cover up the stems. We had these cute heart cutouts that I wanted to add into the middle of the wreath just to add a little bit more details to the wreath and have that Valentine feel. Next, I came in with two of our ribbons. The burlap red ribbon is 2.5 inches, and then the heart ribbon is about 1.5 inches. I used a quick bow tying method to help finish off this look, which you can find that how-to tutorial on our page. Happy crafting!